How to connect Major Bot to your wallet in Telegram. So to connect a Major Bot to your wallet in Telegram, you typically follow a process that involves interacting with the bot to authorize the connection between your wallet and the bot service. So the exact step that can vary depending on the bot and the type of wallet you are using. Here's a general guide to help you connect a Major Bot to your wallet on Telegram. Launch the Telegram wallet on your device and you have to use the search bar here to find the bot you want to connect to your wallet. Just for an example, you might search a bot related to the cryptocurrency or finance such as cryptobot or wallet bot here. Let's go and tap on the bot from the search bar and you have to click start by beginning with reacting. Just go and search the crypto bot here. Once you have searched for the crypto bot, you have to just go for the start option and here you can see that this bot will usually send a welcome message and with the instruction how to set it up. And you have to look for the command here and options related to the wallet. So with the help of this simple step, you can connect the Major Bot to your Telegram wallet. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.